Hello, Assalamu alaikum and annyeonghaseyo. This is me, Natasha. Today we will complete our alphabet letter include double consonant and vowel combination. Let's start our today's learning. As I told you before, alphabets are called Hangul in Korean language, which is the official language system in Korea. Han mean Korean and Gul mean letter or alphabets. So let's see how we can make double consonant and vowel combination. In Korean language, only one alphabet can pronounce both sound G and K. So its combination will be G. G. ये काफ और काफ को मिला के मतलब जैसे घ होता है ना, ये उसी तरह की इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन है. लेट्स लिसन इन कोरियन एक्सेंट. बट इफ वी विल पुट अनदर क साउंड हेयर, तो यहाँ पे इसकी सिंगल नहीं होगी. यहाँ पे जी साउंड बिल्कुल उसको माइनस कर देगा और यहाँ पे डबल के मीन्स हम स्ट्रेस के साथ इसको पढ़ेंगे. वी विल प्रोनाउंस इट विद द स्ट्रेस हेयर. इट्स क क. लेट्स लिसन. फर्स्ट वन वाज ग and the second one with the double consonant is क क. यहाँ पे माइनस हो जाएगा जी. ओके. Another Korean alphabet is D and D sound and its combination will be D. D. ये उर्दू के हरूफ तहज्जी में जो डाल होता है, इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम यहाँ पे वही है. D. D. Let's listen. D. लेकिन जब हम यहाँ पे एक और ड साउंड पुट कर देंगे, यहाँ पे ये डबल हो जाएगा कॉन्सोनेंट, तो इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन में डी जो है वो माइनस हो जाएगा और हम इसको स्ट्रेस के साथ जस्ट ड पढ़ेंगे. ड मतलब आप जहाँ भी ये वाले अल्फ़ाबेट डबल देखें तो उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन जस्ट ड होगी, वो भी स्ट्रेस के साथ, नॉट ड, इट्स ड. Our next Korean alphabet is B and B sound here is B. B. For example, if we write Park Jimmy, so in written form it will pronounce P sound, Park Jimmy, but if we pronounce in Korean language it will become Park Jimmy. Park Jimmy. Not P sound, not B sound, it's Park Jimmy. ये फे है, उर्दू के जो वर्ड फे होता है ना, ये उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन है सेम यहाँ पे पाक जिमी. बट इफ़ वी विल पुट अनदर प साउंड हेयर इट विल बिकम प प विद द स्ट्रेस ऑन पी. इट्स प. एंड आल्सो बी विल बी माइनस हेयर, ओनली प साउंड, प. Another Korean alphabet is S sound, it's S. But if we will put another S sound here, alphabet in Korean, it will become S. S. हमने जस्ट स्ट्रेस यहाँ पे डालना है, इसमें ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है दोनों में. इस S and S. Another Korean alphabet is J sound, it's J. But if we will put another J here, it will become J. J. It's shaped like a jumping boy. So I think you can easily pronounce double consonant by yourself now. Our first letter is from one straight line from top to bottom and one tiny line in the center. It will pronounce like A. A. But if we will put another line with A sound, it will become H in English alphabet and it sounds like A. A. ये भी इंग्लिश का जो A होता है, ABC वाला, इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम A वाली ही है. इसे हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? We will pronounce it A. A. Our Our next vowel is one straight line from top to bottom and two tiny lines in the center. It is same like previous letter but having two tiny lines in the center. Its pronunciation is ya, and when we will put another line here, it will pronounce ye. First one was a and a. It will ya and ye. Our next vowel is one straight line from top to bottom and one tiny line in the center. To the left side is o, and when we will put another line here, it will become a, not a, it's a. Next vowel is one straight line from top to bottom and two tiny lines in the center. To the left side, its pronunciation will be yo. First one was a and this is yo. And if we will put another line here, it will become yeah, not ye, it's yeah. Previous was a and it is yo and yeah. Next vowel is o, but if we will put a sound here, it will become va. And next one is a sound with this combination of o, it will become ve, va and ve. So o, va, ve. First one is oo, one straight line from left to right and one tiny line in the center to the downward is oo, not o, is oo. But if we will put o sound here, it will become wa, not woo, is wa. Next we will put another line with wo sound, it will become va, oo, wo, va. And the last one is V. ये इंग्लिश के अल्फ़ाबेट V की तरह ही है. ये क्या है? V. Another vowel is U, not E, it's U. And one straight line from left to right and one line from top to bottom, it will become ui. And the last vowel is one straight line from left to right. Its pronunciation as same as English alphabet. E sound is E. Just one line pronunciation will be E. So we are going to revise our today's lesson. The first one is K, N, D, R, M, P, S, ing sound, J, Ch, K, T, P, H sound. Double consonants are K, T, P, S, J. Vowels A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, you, e, ye, ye, wa, we, wa, we, ui. So we have completed our Korean alphabet today, include double consonant and vowel combination. It will become more easy for you if you learn 10 basic vowel and 14 consonant first. If you didn't learn yet, then go and please watch my previous video on consonant and vowel sound. Our next video will be on the family and friends vocabulary in Korean language. And please don't forget to practice at your home on daily basis its reading, writing and pronunciation also. 안녕히 계세요. 고마워.